everything around us has evolved. Technology, ambition, the way we live, and the way we build. Homes once stood as shelters, then as comforts, then as aspirations. But evolution doesn't pause. It demands a new benchmark. Today, architecture is not about structures, it's about statements. Lifestyle is not about living, it's about experiencing. And this time, Elan leads that evolution. Elan doesn't follow trends. It creates the future of how India lives. Because what once defined luxury will now be redefined by vision, by craft, by Elan. This is more than an address. This is a turning point in how the world will see Gurugram, the evolution in lifestyle and architecture. By Elan, the statement